guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to be reviewing this slime kit. Oh my goodness, this just arrived in the mail and I am so excited to open this. This looks like so much fun. Before I get started, I just want to say this is not a sponsored video. First, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos. And be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Let's get started. So this is what the slime looks like. The box is really colorful, I like it. So it looks like all you have to do is mix, shake, and you have rainbow slime. That is so cool. I'm so excited to try this. And the cool thing is you only have to add water. It comes with everything else. And it has a surprise charm to go with it. Alright, so let's open this up. So it comes with three colors. It's like a teal color, a yellow, and a pink. So first we're gonna make this teal colored one. So inside the container you have this little bag, and let's see what's inside. So inside the bag we have a little seahorse charm, some pink heart-shaped glitter, some blue powder, and some instructions. So the instructions say to just pour the powder and the glitter into the container. Then it says to add some water until it reaches the line. Then it says to put the lid on and shake for 30 seconds. Next, you let the slime sit for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I noticed that the slime was still pretty watery, but it did clump up a little bit on the bottom. So I didn't read the instructions properly, and you're supposed to let it sit for 5 minutes with the lid off, so it did eventually form, it just took longer. The instructions said to mix with a mixing stick until the slime forms. It was really sticky at first, but the more I kneaded it, the more slime-like it became. So after a lot of kneading, this is what the slime looks like. And it's really stretchy. It has a very interesting texture. It feels like it's gonna break, but it just keeps stretching and stretching. It doesn't really make any poking noises, but it's a really good slime. The one other thing is the charm keeps falling out and the glitter does come off on your hands. It also makes really good farting noises. I really love how sparkly this slime is. It's really pretty. So the next one I'm going to make is this yellow one. Instead of blue powder, this one came with yellow powder. It also came with some really pretty glitter. After 5 minutes, I decided to start mixing with my popsicle stick because there was still a little bit of water on the top. I like this slime a lot. It turned out really pretty. Now we're going to move on to the last slime. This one is pink. This one came with some really pretty silver glitter. I'm so excited to see how this turns out in the slime. turned out really pretty. It's really soft and stretchy. I also like that the slimes are really squishy. I love all of these slimes. They turned out so nice and they are really sparkly. I think I'd rate this slime kit a 7 out of 10. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. These slimes were so much fun to make and I love them. They're so much fun to play with. And I just love the neon colors. They're just so pretty. I definitely recommend this slime. If you are interested in buying this slime kit, I will leave a link in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Just so you guys know, I post Wednesdays and Saturdays, so if you check on those days, I should have a new video out. Bye! See you guys next week!